Let's make the perfect drop donut. With this, oh my goodness, you're not going to struggle at all. It was very easy to put together. The outcome was absolutely perfect. If today is the first time here, this is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen. I share easy recipes. So please, if you like easy recipes, do not forget to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. Without wasting much of your time, let's start with today's activity. I have with me here my butter. Okay, you can use margarine, you can use anything that you want. Okay, and that is melted. It was 4 tablespoons. I'll ensure that it is well melted before we proceed. You can as well do this without melting it and you will get it perfect. Okay, or you can just melt it some more to become a bit soft, and then you continue. Now I have with me here my half cup of sugar. You can actually use any sugar of your choice. You can use your vegan sugar, you can use your brown or white sugar. You are good to go. I have added my eggs. Now I am going to use 2 eggs in today's video. Okay, you may see only one, and that shouldn't be any big deal. Okay, I've added my milk, and that was half cup of milk. I've added my vanilla. You can use any flavor of choice. You are perfectly okay. Mix it very well so it becomes uniform, and then we are good to go. Just look at that, absolutely good and perfect. So we are going to make sure we add our dry ingredients, and then we proceed. I have with me here my 4 cups of all-purpose flour. So if you're a beginner, you can just go ahead and then add the liquid to it bit by bit so that you can get that perfect outcome we are looking for. I've added a tablespoon of baking powder. Now sieve it very well, and then we are good to go. We are going to mix this. When I'm done, I will add the next ingredients to it. Okay, we have more ingredients. At this moment, if you want to add nutmeg, you can go ahead and add it. Okay, if you don't want to add the nutmeg or you don't have it, that is okay, because we have vanilla in there. It is also flavor, and it is going to make it very flavorful. I'll go ahead and then add my evaporated milk. That should be about 2 tablespoons of evaporated milk. Mix it very well. If you think the liquid is not enough, my dear, you can go ahead and then add some to it bit by bit, like I said earlier, so that you can get that perfect outcome you are looking for. Just look at that, absolutely rich already and very delicious already, even though we have not started frying it. Mix it very well like how you are seeing, and then you are good to go. You can as well add some raisin. Okay, usually I add raisin for it to it, but with this it is actually not for the house, so I don't want to add it to it, and I not ask the person whether she likes it or not, so I'm not going to do that. I have the oil on fire. It is not very hot. Okay, it is not low as well. It's on a medium heat, so that I will get it as a honey hole. Do you get it? Yes. Now let's start frying, and then we are good to go. The quantity you drop in the oil will determine the bigger or the size that you want. Okay, should you want it very big, you just drop it big. If you want it small, you do so. The first batch they are ready. Okay, it looks absolutely perfect. I'll just remove it from the oil, and then we will continue with the rest, and I'm going to share with you how it looks, and then tell you what I think about this. Okay, trust me, you will enjoy the video. So remove them from the oil. When you are done, you drop the others. If you've watched me till this point and you haven't liked the video, please, what are you waiting for? Can you like the video for me? I will be very, very grateful if you do so. Like the video, share to others, leave me your comments in the comment section, and I will appreciate that. Thank you so much. When you are making it, I usually tell you that when you are watching my recipes, you try to double the quantity of sugar, but with this, please do not increase the quantity of sugar. Okay, yes, I would have used maybe 4 tablespoons of sugar, but today we used half cup, so you don't have to increase it. It was perfect quantity. You know, too much of sugar is very bad, so be very, very mindful not to add a lot. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please follow us for more videos, and trust me, you will love it. If you want short videos that are very detailed, I mean recipes that are very detailed, but they are less than a minute or a minute, oh my goodness, follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and then our YouTube shorts. We share the recipes in Chi language on YouTube. The name is Recipe Goddess. Please follow us there as well, and then you will love it. We posted today, okay? We posted spring roll recipe today, which you will love it. So try and follow us. Thank you so much. Now everything is ready. We will remove everything, allow it to rest on paper towel or your colander. Now we have arranged everything, so trust me, this was perfect and very, very nice. What I want to share with you is that your donut is not supposed to be chewy. I mean, trying like puff puff. No, donut is not supposed to look like puff puff. Okay, when you break it, you have to get that fluffy outcome like this. You see, very fluffy. But when you open it, it's not supposed to be like your puff puff or buffalo. It's not supposed to be not chewy, but it's supposed to be fluffy like how you are seeing on the screen. So just follow this method and you are going to get the perfect donut recipe. The owner really enjoyed this and she really loved it. Just look at that, absolutely fluffy and perfect. Thank you so much for watching. So I come your way next time. I hope you are going to try this and then give me your feedback. It was so nice and I nearly finished everything. I forgot myself. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.